and TV stations. In the morning, they chant Paritta, and also they deliver Dhamma talk, and also full moon day. They start around 6 a.m. sometimes before. They give Dhamma talks, Dhamma discussions. That is very good. The reason our Supreme Buddha, after he became the Buddha, he was thinking to whom I should give Dhamma. Then he understood, he thought, it is very difficult to understand normal people. What I realized, Duddaso Duranubodho, it is very difficult to see, it is very difficult to understand. Then at that time, as a respect, the Maha Brahma came and invited him. Venerable Sir, there are so many beings want to listen to your Dhamma talk. Please preach, please tell this Dhamma. Then Buddha saw at the beginning two helpers, Alara Kalama and Uddakarama Putra. They already passed away. Then he saw 5 ascetics, Kondanya, Vappa, Badya, Mahanama and Assaji.